Okay, let's install the RAM mount. First, you need to remove the fork stem cover, and using a splurger, jimmy, or pick, just kind of gently pry up the cap and remove it. Now, once you remove the cap, you'll notice a small amount of grease that was inside there. You want to clean this out so the expansion plug does not loosen up. Now, just kind of push the expansion plug in until it stops, and then you measure 1/8 of an inch above the point where the plug meets the stem hole opening. Now, if your fork stem hole is between 20 and 26 millimeters, your plug will appear to bottom out when inserting into your stem hole, and your top mark will be at the largest point. And then you just measure 1 inch down, and then you cut there, and then that's your plug. So then what you do is you assemble the fork stem base as shown using a larger C flat washer and nut pocket washer that will fit inside the stem hole. So you just kind of check and see if it fits inside. And then you take the selected washer and you tighten the assembly. So just kind of put it together as seen here and just start tightening it up until the washer has a firm bite on the expansion plug. But you don't tighten to the point of expanding the plug, just get it to where it starts to grip. So let's just put the nut on there. Then start tightening down like so. And once it starts to grip, you could insert it into the hole. Now, insert it into the hole and position it, and then you start tightening with a 3mm Allen wrench until it's good and tight. And you might need to use a right angle one instead of a T-handle like this so you can get a tighter grip on it. So just tighten it down until it doesn't move around. It's always going to move around a little. It never seems you can get it tight enough. So the ball mount you just loosen up and you can put the X grip on it. Now the optional tether, when you put the optional tether on, it can shift the phone and it'll start hitting the buttons on the side because you need to position the X grip between your buttons so you see how it just hit the power button there? And that's the problem with the tether. But it will work without the tether, and it'll be fine without the tether unless you're going off-road or something extremely serious. I really wouldn't worry about the tether. Actually, the tether is really kind of difficult to put on. You really have to stretch the bands really hard, as you can see here, and it just snaps into place. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot if you share this video with your friends also. So until next time.